okay, here are 4 air conditioners. This is pretty cool. 2.5 ton from 97, 1990. Ooh, it's a heat pump. It's a 2.5 ton from the 1997. Right there. Line set. This is our 22 refrigerant and heat pump. This is another one. This is a little cool too. The slanted ones. This, ooh, there's a big puddle right there. And this is a 4-ton manufactured in 1997 as well. Ooh, what is that? I don't know what that is.
Bird poop.
No, either.
Oh no, that's just a rock.
Oh, this one. Ew, this one has trouble going. It has 2 blades. Didn't notice that before.
You ever seen a York with 2 blades?
Yeah, I have.
Oh, okay. I haven't.
Even in real life, there's a 4-ton from 1997 straight coil unit.
Where do you see 1997?
It says 97 right here.
That's the serial number.
Yeah, that's the serial number that says here's from. This is cool. But ew, there's stuff right here. Ooh, this I could just tell. This does not work anymore. I could just tell already. Cool, nice.
How many tons is this one?
This is a straight coil unit, 2-ton from 2009. Ooh, energy guide's still there. Just barely still there. It's a 13 SEER straight coil unit. And yeah, it's a real nice unit. I'm glad I'm making a video of it. I can squish in there. Well, there it is. I thought the entire time this was a 3-blade, but it's 2. Yeah, the fan wheel's kind of messed up a little, and
sure is.
The dirty stuff is leaking out of the bottom. This is not working at all. It needs to get replaced. Lucky I can get a video of the old unit so you know what the old unit looks like. Inside, it's a real nice unit. Yeah. Ew, what is that? Puddle. Yeah. Yeah, what year is this from? It's from 2009.
Anything else?
Yeah, this is real cool. Yeah. There's possibly no unit on the other side unit.
I already looked.
Ooh, there's a new electrical box on the first unit right there, and for all the old units. I'll just say electrical boxes. So 3-blade, 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 2-blade. I had never noticed this was a 2-blade. I like the 2-blade. They're pretty. Sounds loud. Sounds different. Hit it. Sounds so weird. There's quite a bit of stuff.
4.5 minutes.
Compressor is a Copeland. Yeah, so what? Is there 5 in it?
No. I already checked the other side. There's nothing.
Well, let me check. think this becomes safe for one of them. Let's go see. Ooh, no.
Alright, is that it?
How many minutes now?
5.5.
5.5. So, yeah, none of these are like this one. This one probably is broken too. It's just a tiny bit tilted. How many tons? Is it 2.5? 4, 2. Yes. Meal coil unit. Thank God I got a video of this one.
6.5. You done?
Okay, I am. 2 blades. Right there. Can you get over here?
Ooh.
Just try to get through there. And yeah, 2 blades right there. And yeah.
Is that it?
Could just barely get over here.
7 minutes.
Yeah.
That's pretty long.
7 minutes. Okay, so this is 24,000 BTU means a 4 ton. This is, yeah, from 09.
No, 24 is a 2 ton.
It is no, it's a 2 ton.
Yeah, you said 4.
Oh, it's a 2.
Yeah, it's a 2.
Yeah, this is long. I don't know how much this energy efficiency.
7.5.
And 13.00, that means just 13 SEER. And, ooh, this is a straight coil unit. I believe all are straight coil units. No, that one's a heat pump. The first one's a heat pump. The other 3 are straight coils.
8 minutes.
That is a wire, I think. And bye.